Azure PaaS services extensive list. 1. Azure App Service. Azure App Service is a fully managed platform for building, deploying, and scaling web applications and apps. It supports multiple programming languages and frameworks, and provides features like automatic scaling, continuous deployment, and integration with other Azure services. 2. Azure Functions. Azure Functions is a serverless compute service that allows you to run code on demand without having to provision or manage any infrastructure. It enables you to build event-driven applications and easily integrate with other Azure services. 3. Azure Logic Apps. Azure Logic Apps is a cloud-based service that allows you to create and run workflows to automate business processes and integrate systems and services. It provides a visual designer to build workflows using pre-built connectors for various services and applications. 4. Azure SQL Database. Azure SQL Database is a fully managed relational database service that provides high-performance, scalable, and secure database capabilities. It supports both single databases and elastic pools, and offers features like automatic backups, built-in intelligence, and advanced security options. 5. Azure Cosmos DB. Azure Cosmos DB is a globally distributed, multi-model database service that provides high availability, low latency, and scalability. It supports multiple data models, including document, key value, graph, and column family, and offers features like automatic indexing, global distribution, and multi-master replication. 6. Azure Machine Learning. Azure Machine Learning is a cloud-based service that enables you to build, deploy, and manage machine learning models at scale. It provides a comprehensive set of tools and services for data preparation, model training, and deployment, and supports various frameworks and languages. 7. Azure Stream Analytics. Azure Stream Analytics is a real-time analytics service that allows you to process and analyze streaming data from various sources. It provides a SQL-like query language and supports integration with other Azure services like Event Hubs and Cosmos DB. 8. Azure Event Grid. Azure Event Grid is an event routing service that simplifies the development of event-driven applications. It provides a scalable and reliable way to react to events from various sources and route them to different endpoints, such as Azure Functions or Logic Apps. 9. Azure Search. Azure Search is a fully managed search as a service solution that allows you to add search capabilities to your applications. It supports full text search, faceted navigation, and geospatial search, and provides features like automatic indexing, relevance tuning, and integration with other Azure services. 10. Azure Cache for Redis. Azure Cache for Redis is a fully managed, in-memory caching service that provides high-performance and low-latency access to data. It can be used to improve the performance and scalability of applications by caching frequently accessed data. 11. Azure IoT Hub. Azure IoT Hub is a fully managed service that enables you to connect, monitor, and manage IoT devices at scale. It provides features like device provisioning, bidirectional communication, and device management, and integrates with other Azure services for data processing and analytics. 12. Azure Data Explorer. Azure Data Explorer is a fast and highly scalable data exploration and analytics service for large volumes of data. It allows you to ingest, analyze, and visualize data in real time, and provides a powerful query language and built-in machine learning capabilities. 13. Azure SignalR Service. Azure SignalR Service is a fully managed service that simplifies the development of real-time web applications. It provides real-time communication capabilities using the SignalR protocol, and supports features like automatic scaling, message broadcasting, and connection management. 14. Azure Service Bus. Azure Service Bus is a messaging service that enables reliable and secure communication between applications and services. It supports various messaging patterns, such as publish, subscribe and request, response, and provides features like message queuing, topic-based routing, and message ordering. 15. Azure API Management. Azure API Management is a fully managed service that allows you to publish, secure, and manage APIs at scale. It provides features like API Gateway, Developer Portal, and Analytics, and enables you to control access, monitor usage, and enforce policies for your APIs. 16. Azure Event Hubs. Azure Event Hubs is a highly scalable and real-time data streaming platform that can ingest and process millions of events per second. It provides features like event capture, data retention, and integration with other Azure services for real-time analytics and processing. 17. Azure Data Factory. Azure Data Factory is a cloud-based data integration service that allows you to orchestrate and automate data movement and data transformation workflows. It supports hybrid data integration and provides connectors for various data sources and destinations. 18. Azure Data Lake Storage. Azure Data Lake Storage is a scalable and secure data lake solution that allows you to store and analyze large amounts of structured and unstructured data. It provides features like hierarchical namespace, fine-grained access control, and integration with other Azure services. 19. Azure HDInsight. Azure HDInsight is a fully managed cloud service that makes it easy to process big data using popular open-source frameworks like Hadoop, Spark, and Hive. It provides a scalable and reliable environment for running big data workloads and supports integration with other Azure services. 20. Azure Machine Learning Studio. Azure Machine Learning Studio is a drag-and-drop tool that allows you to build, test, and deploy machine learning models without writing any code. It provides a visual interface for data preparation, model training, and evaluation, and supports various algorithms and techniques. 21. Azure Cognitive Services. Azure Cognitive Services is a collection of AI services that enable you to add intelligent capabilities to your applications. It provides pre-built APIs for tasks like vision recognition, speech recognition, language understanding, and sentiment analysis. 22. Azure Media Services. Azure Media Services is a cloud-based platform that allows you to encode, store, and stream audio and video content at scale. It provides features like content protection, dynamic packaging, and integration with other Azure services for media processing and delivery. 23. Azure IoT Edge. Azure IoT Edge is a service that extends cloud capabilities to edge devices, enabling them to perform analytics and run AI models locally. It provides features like offline operation, secure communication, and remote management of edge devices. 24. Azure Databricks. Azure Databricks is a fast, easy, and collaborative Apache Spark-based analytics platform. It provides a unified workspace for data engineers, data scientists, and business analysts to collaborate on big data analytics and machine learning projects. 25. Azure Data Lake Analytics. Azure Data Lake Analytics is a distributed analytics service that allows you to run big data analytics jobs on large volumes of data. It provides a scalable and cost-effective way to process data using a SQL-like language and supports integration with other Azure services. 26. Azure Data Catalog. Azure Data Catalog is a fully managed service that allows you to discover, understand, and manage your data assets. It provides a centralized repository for metadata and enables data discovery, data lineage, and data governance. 27. Azure Data Share. Azure Data Share is a service that simplifies the sharing of data between organizations. It provides a secure and governed way to share data with external partners or internal teams, and supports features like data snapshots, incremental updates, and access control. 28. Azure Data Box. Azure Data Box is a family of devices that enables offline data transfer to and from Azure. It provides a secure and efficient way to transfer large amounts of data by shipping physical devices to Azure data centers. Thanks for watching.